NextGenCreditPro Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of NextGenCreditPro. Links to their services are included in the description, so feel free to explore them as we discuss their features, target audience, and benefits. NextGenCreditPro is a modern credit repair service designed for individuals seeking a fast, efficient, and transparent way to improve their credit scores. They cater to people aiming to secure better interest rates, qualify for loans, or recover from credit challenges. Their system combines advanced technology with personalized strategies to address and resolve negative credit issues. One of the key features of NextGenCreditPro is their comprehensive credit analysis. They begin with a detailed review of your credit reports from all three major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This analysis identifies inaccuracies, outdated information, or negative marks such as late payments, charge-offs, or collections. Their team then develops a tailored dispute strategy to challenge these items with creditors and reporting agencies, adhering to the laws outlined in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. A standout aspect of their service is their technology-driven platform, which provides real-time updates on your case. Their user-friendly client portal allows you to track progress, review completed disputes, and stay informed every step of the way. Transparency and communication are prioritized, ensuring clients feel involved throughout the process. NextGenCreditPro also emphasizes education and financial empowerment. They provide resources and guidance on credit-building strategies, debt management, and maintaining financial stability after credit repair. This proactive approach helps clients avoid repeating past mistakes and fosters long-term success. This service is ideal for individuals with a range of credit challenges, from those facing minor errors to those recovering from significant financial setbacks. Whether you're preparing to buy a home, finance a vehicle, or simply aiming for financial freedom, NextGenCreditPro is equipped to assist. If you're ready to take charge of your credit journey, NextGenCreditPro offers the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Check the links in the description to learn more and start your path to improved financial health today.